What's up everybody, Cole with Coal Miner Customs here. Today we're going to be unboxing the new AlgoLaser Pixi. It's going to be one of the most compact lasers out there on the market. So hey, let's unbox this thing. And also too, I want to thank AlgoLaser for sending this out for us to review. I really do appreciate it, guys. And I'm going to give you my honest review and we're going to test this thing out. So hey, let's get into it. And we also want to thank AlgoLaser for sending this gift box out to us. They also sent in a rotary tool, some keychains, a pair of glasses, some business cards, some more keychains. Looks like some leatherette keychains and some wooden keychains, and some more test material. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel because the next video that we come out with, we're going to be showing you how to use this thing. And hey, one thing about this machine, you don't even have to have a PC because everything is done right here on this screen. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and you watch out for the next video that's coming up. And hey, we'll see you next time.